Alright, we're going to try to replace the starter on a 2012 Fiat 500 Abarth. I got one side jacked up. Probably better if you jack up the whole front, but I'm going to attempt it like this. Starter is located in the middle, on the back, all the way at the bottom. So I'm going to go underneath, show you guys what that looks like. So of course you're going to take off the big plastic cover, and then if we go back here, I got a flashlight in there so you can kind of see it. There's the starter, and then up top where you can kind of see that bolt was covered by this cover. So basically I lifted these and I popped it off. This little piece of plastic tells me that it probably hung on. It's supposed to be like, I guess when you pop it off it just hangs there, but it didn't for me, so it might for you. But I can see one bolt right there. There's got to be another one. First thing I'm going to try is to undo the bolt where it looks like the live wire is coming to. But before I do that, I'm going to disconnect the battery because I don't want to get shocked. This is the new starter. So it looks like we got 1, 2, 3 bolts. And then this is where the power is connected. I don't see, usually there's like a plug, or there's the main thick power cable, and then there would be like a sender that goes from the ignition, but I'm not seeing where that sender would be. Also, this one's threaded, so we're gonna see what the hell that means.
So here we would normally have the battery. We took that out, and then if you look down here, you can see it's pointing to it. The big one on the left is a big transmission bolt, and that smaller one right there is for the starter. So you can get to it from up here. Alright, so that bolt is out, and we ended up having to use one of these little swivel joints to be able to get it in there. And then if we go over here,
so this is how it's mounted under the car. This bolt you're going to get from this side, passenger side. This is the bolt that we just had to get with that swivel joint. And then this is the first bolt, or actually the only bolt that holds the power cable that goes to it.
so it's just 2 bolts and that.
That's it.
And then here's the starter.
So hopefully we have no issues installing this one.
And then this we initially thought was a bolt hole, and
It's
realized
not.
it's just an alignment pin.
Yeah. So the bolts are 13s, all of them. I'm gonna double check if this new one's a 13, but I'm gonna take this off before I put this back in, because I don't need to be taking that off while we're in there. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I got it all put back together. So basically there's 2 bolts that hold it, one from the bottom, one from the side. Those 2 are going to hold the starter in place. There's one more bolt that holds the cable that goes to it. Once you put that bolt on, you're going to put that little clip cover back on. Starter's done. Put the plastic from underneath back on. Hook up your battery. Well, reinstall the battery channel, that hook up the battery, and it should be good to go. Let's give it a try. There we go. Starter is working.